Hello students, our next topic is increasing crop yield. As you know that with the increase in population, the demand for their food is also increasing. As with the increase in as the demand of food production is increasing, so we should opt some more methods for increasing the crop yield. Now the one of the method is for increasing the crop yield is hybridization. Hybridization, what is hybridization? It is a technique which is used for developing new variety of crops by cross breeding two different varieties. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, दो डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ क्रॉप्स को क्रॉस ब्रीड करवाते हैं, ठीक है, एंड अ न्यू वैरायटी ऑफ क्रॉप जो है वो ऑब्टेन्ड होता है. विद क्रॉस ब्रीडिंग अ न्यू वैरायटी कैन बी मेड एंड दैट हैज़ डिज़ायर्ड करेक्टरिस्टिक लाइक डिजीज़ रेजिस्टेंट है, ठीक है. जो भी नया क्रॉप बनेगा आपका उसमें क्या क्या करेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगी, दैट विल बी डिजीज़ रेजिस्टेंट एंड इट विल बी ऑफ हाई यील्ड. द green revolution which was from 1960 and 1970 in India was brought about by importing high yielding variety of wheat from Mexico. Besides giving this high yield, the plants were smaller, stronger and had better response to fertilizers. So the effect of the green revolution on production of food grains is shown, you can see in the data. Though two crops they have taken, rice and wheat. In 1983 its production was this much. और आप देख सकते हो कैसे इसकी प्रोडक्शन जो है with the year it has been increased. This is known as green revolution. Next topic is nitrogen cycle. As to improve the crop production, the farmers they are advised to practice crop rotation or mixed cropping. That is the methods जो हम already कर चुके हैं. One of the crop in these practices was leguminous crop. Leguminous plants जो हैं like इसमें क्या आ जाते हैं आपके peas, beans. They are special. They have special kind of bacteria which are present in their root nodules, roots. ये जो हैं ये क्या स्टोर करते हैं अपनी नोड्यूल्स में, दिस स्टोर्स द नाइट्रोजन कंटेंट ऑफ द सॉइल बाय राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया विच इज़ प्रेजेंट इन देयर नोड्यूल्स एंड दिस इज़ डन बाय द नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन इट इज़ प्रोसेस बाय विच फ्री नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम एयर इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड. ये जो नाइट्रोजन पास करता है फ्रॉम प्लांट्स टू हर्बीवोर्स एंड देम टू कार्बीवोर्स. ऑब्वियस है कि प्लांट्स को जो भी खाएंगे हर्बीवोर्स खाएंगे, ठीक है, उनमें ट्रांसफ़र होगा. प्लांट्स जो हैं दैट आर हर्बीवोर्स, ठीक है, हर्बीवोर्स को कार्निवोर्स खाएंगे तो ये नाइट्रोजन उनमें ट्रांसफ़र होगा. व्हेन दिस प्लांट्स और एनिमल जो हैं ये डाई कर जाते हैं, ठीक है, ये नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड जो उनकी बॉडी में प्रेजेंट है दे आर डीकम्पोज एंड रिटर्न टू द सॉइल. Some of these compounds they are absorbed by plants, with some are converted into nitrogen and returned to the atmosphere. अब there is some cycling process for nitrogen fixation. The cycling of nitrogen between atmosphere, soil and living organism is known as nitrogen cycle. और ये following different steps involve करता है आपका nitrogen cycle. You can see in your books. This is your nitrogen cycle. एटमॉस्फेरिक में नाइट्रोजन जो प्रेजेंट है दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर बाय लाइटनिंग, बाय राइजोबियम बैक्टीरिया, बाय ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी. देन नाइट्रोजन एसिमिलेशन एज प्रोटीन्स इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. देन अमोनिफिकेशन अकर्स, ठीक है, अमोनिफिकेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स इनटू अमोनिया बाय बैक्टीरिया एंड फंजाई इन द सॉइल. देन नाइट्रिफिकेशन ऑफ अमोनिया इनटू नाइट्रेट्स. देन डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन और फिर एटमॉस्फेरिक of nitrogen. So these are the cycling of nitrogen between atmosphere, soil and living organism is known as nitrogen cycle. Now next is crops से तो हमें food मिलता ही है, we get food from animals also. We know that we get our food from the plants such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits. Besides plants, animal also provide us with different kind of foods and other products. Rearing of animals on a large scale for food and other needs is known as animal husbandry. What do you mean by animal husbandry? Rearing of animals on large scale for food and other needs is known as animal husbandry. Here are some examples of foods and other products that are obtained from animals. Milk, that is obtained from animals like cow, buffalo, goat. It is used to prepare variety of milk products, butter, ghee, curd. Meat is also obtained from animals like goat and chicken. Eggs are also obtained from birds like hens, turkey, goose. Honey is obtained from honeybees. So these are the products that are obtained from the animals. Thank you.